Hey guys! In this level we are going to learn how to draw patterns using a repeat block and different blocks over here. In the first level, level 2, you only have to give it a try with one of the blocks and see what will happen. So for example, if I put this one like that and I click on set color first, I want to set the color to a random color, let's say, and move. I click run. This is what's going to happen, and then I click on finish. I need to continue the square that was drawing. Over here they already started it, so I need to move forward. That's my first task. Then I need to turn to that direction, which is the right direction, and I'm turning 90 degrees because a square has an angle of 90 degrees over here. After this I have to move one step forward as well, 100 pixels, and then I click run. I can click on show code, and this will show me the code in JavaScript language. This is the language that we use with web developers in order to develop games and websites. In this one, they already started the pattern for me, which means that I will have to try it first. It turned, which means it's going to have to repeat the same. Let's count. A square, how many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to put a repeat block over here and put those blocks inside it. In this one, it's not a square, so it's not 4 times. It's a repeat 3 according to the number of sides. But let's check it out. They asked me that each side should be 100 pixels long and it has to turn 120 degrees. So first it has to move forward 100 and then it has to turn. We don't know which way it should turn. So if I put it that way, for example, we need to run it first to see, is it the correct way? It's gonna go down this way. So wrong. It should be left. Now let's give it a try. Yes. Now we put a repeat block